Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to use R to do the goodness of the test. Okay, so you go to down here, and then you find the chi-square test for goodness of fit is right here. So click on this one, so we can have the code in this one. So for this one right here, you're gonna compute. So they give you kind of template right here, right? So observe count like this. So you can put into the first sequence right here, and then expected count. You're gonna put it right here, and then you run the test. So let's go to the question. So you want to see if the car dealer is favorite one suit over another. So you observe that the dealer pick a car and put it back to the deck and shuffle, and then repeat the process 216 times. So the result I display is right here. So this would be your observed count, and this is your expected count, right? So we're gonna do in here. So we have to fill up expected count first. So you know that suppose that if the next car is fair, then you have 4 groups, then each group will have equal amount. So what we're gonna do, we take like 216. So that is the total count, and then you divide it by 4. Oops, divided by 4. Yeah, so you will get how many for each. So all of them the same. So I will have here, each of them will be 54. And then this one also 54. And this one 54 as well, and this one also 54, right? Okay, so we're gonna copy this template right here, right? We're gonna put in here, right? So we have to change this one here. So first, the observed count is a number on the first column, right? That say frequency. That way you copy that. So you have 55, 58, 31, and then 72. Yeah. And then the second one right here, that you will have this one all 54, right? All 54. 54, 54, 54, 54, right? So make sure that you check you copy correct first, right? So now we're gonna run the test. So I'm gonna have here, right? So I will have my data here. This will be chi-square value. This is degree freedom, and this one would be the p-value. The chi-square value here, that's with my test statistics, right? So in this case over here, so we're gonna use the goodness of fit, because we want to see if all the proportion here is supposed to be equal or not. So that means HO, that means say the distribution is uniform, right? And the HO is not uniform. H1 is distribution absolutely not uniform. That's what we have here. So degree of freedom, you can see from the test, as you see degree of 3, and this one is longer to remember. So I'm gonna copy this one here. So half degree of freedom is 3, and then test statistics of this data set is this. And then for this one right here, so I will have this one here. I copied this. I'm gonna paste over here. So they want 4 decimals, so I have to be very careful in this here. So that would be 1 right here. And this one, they say 3 decimals, so I have this one already. So compare this one with the alpha, that's what they said over here. The alpha is 0.1, right? So my number right here is less than alpha, right? So therefore, I reject the null hypothesis. So I reject the null, that means I say it not uniform, right? Because I cross this out, that means I support this one here. So this is sufficient evidence to conclude that the distribution is not uniform, as you have right here. Yeah. So you do that. Okay. So I submit. I should have all correct answer. Yeah. Like that. I hope it helps. So go down to the link below, get the question, and follow along.